Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we will learn about the difference between AI, ML, DL and DS, that stand for Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, Deep Learning and Data Science. So what will you going to learn in this video is what is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science. These all terms are very much popular today. So this is one of the questions that generally asked in the interview at the very basic level to test your knowledge. Like how can you differentiate between ML and DS and AI? What are your different roles? And not only for the interview, it is also important to understand the concept. For example, if you are working in this area for past few months or going to start your career in data science or machine learning, so you should be aware of like what falls under which category and what is your work and where it is falls. Like is a data science related work, it's a ML related work, is contains algorithm which is related to the deep learning. So all of this, so that's why understanding of these concepts and the difference between them is very much important. So this is the overall objective of this video. So let's first start by our first term, that is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human capability over the machines. Using AI, we can create a system to simulate human intelligence. It is like replacing a human which can take the decision the same as a human can do even if they haven't faced the situation in the past. What does that mean? If you are coming with a situation, suppose you have to buy something but you never experienced that, but you still can do it with some of the efficiency. So that is more about your own intelligence. If we can train machine with the same behavior, that is awesome. So that is known as the AI. AI is a bigger level concept. There are three types of AI that we deal today. Is a weak AI or the lower AI. So if we compare the human, so weak AI is having the lower intelligence than human. General AI is considered to be equal intelligence than human, and strong AI can take the decision which is better than human. So this is our challenge. So our research area right now in the strong AI direction, we are trying to create a machine which can take hypothetical decisions. But right now we are in the weak AI stage or general AI stage. Think of some of the cool application like Apple, Siri or Alexa or OK Google. So they can take your voice input and can suggest you something. So think like if you tell the Alexa that I'm sad and I want to listen to music. So Alexa should have come with some of the music that can enhance your mood, not make you more sad. So this is kind of things which are going in the direction of AI. Another example would be the AlphaGo. The computer defeated a champion. So that's why our whole AI is going on. Now let's understand another term, that is machine learning. So machine learning is a way of analyzing, understanding and identifying patterns in the data. It allows machines to learn by the data available from the past. We have given a data and machines has given an objective that learn something. This is our past history and do something which the same, based on the same behavior, we can take some of the decision in the future. That is machine learning. It majorly comes into three types. One is supervised learning, where we have given an objective or clear target. For example, you have given an image and you have to tell it's a cat or a dog or something like you have given few records and you have to tell that this patient is infected by the disease or not. So this is about the example of supervised learning. Unsupervised learning, where you don't have any target given. So you just have a data. You have to find some of the pattern or some of the information out of it. So suppose you have given information like salary of a person and years of experience. Just this is a salary and experience. So just some random data points given. You have to find some patterns like these can be combined together. These can be combined together. There is no clear target. This is unsupervised learning. And the last one is semi-supervised learning. So that should be semi-supervised learning. So semi-supervised learning, where we have given some examples, not so some target is given and the others are missing target. So we have to take some of the information and use the complete data for the better objective. So these are the three major classes of machine learning. Now, how it differs from artificial intelligence? We know artificial intelligence, like it's mimics the human behavior. We know machine learning that takes the data and give the output. We can train the algorithm based on the output. So we can think of this is the relationship between AI and machine learning. AI is a larger level concept. So how do you think that where the machine learning fits in? Machine learning is a subset of AI. So again, so I am repeating, AI is a bigger level concept. ML is a smaller level concept where we have given a data and a clear target that based on this data, we have to create a model that do this. AI is a larger level concept. So this is the difference between ML and AI. The goal of AI is to design smart system which can take decisions like a human. But the goal of ML is to learn from the data to give the correct output. We have given something, we have to give something. Symbol, think of as an algorithm. What we do in dynamic programming on greedy that have some target in mind. Similarly, machine learning algorithms have some target that optimize some metric. AI scope is large, it can perform the new task. ML can only take from the past data on which the algorithm is trained. So these are the clear differences. Now understand another term, deep learning, which is very much popular. Everyone is talking that this is a deep learning based solution. They used multi GPUs, created some better solution. So what is deep learning? Deep learning is a software solution that mimics the behavior of neuron. Why it is called deep learning? Because it has deep network of neuron. Think of neurons as we have in our brain in billions or trillions. They pass the information from one neuron to other neuron and our brain takes the decision like what to do. So think of simulating that behavior using a network, using a software solution. So deep learning is that kind of network that takes the information, passes through the layers of neuron and give the solution. So more like given an input, either an image or maybe data, it passes through a deep learning network, any kind of network, dense, sparse, and it gives the output. So this is the set of neurons. This is called the deep learning. Now what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? We understood this concept that ML is a subset of AI. Now, where do you think that DL come into the picture? Deep learning is again the subset of ML and it's again a subset of AI. So AI is a superset and DL is a part of ML. So DL is a set of algorithms and part of or a subset of machine learning. Machine learning contains other algorithms like tree-based algorithm. We will see in the future videos, decision tree, random forest, XGBoost, light GBM, other algorithms. DL contains the network of neuron or neuron-related algorithms. DL is a subset of or a special class of ML algorithms. So while thinking of different properties where we can use some traditional machine learning algorithm like tree-based algorithm or simple algorithm, or where we can use the deep learning algorithm. So these are some of the properties which generally think of while applying the deep learning solution or machine learning solution. So when data is sizes low or medium, we try to solve it problem with machine learning, or data size is large, we use deep learning. For machine learning algorithm, generally we use CPU. If we have GPU, we can tune some of the algorithm, but CPU is fine. Deep learning algorithm, we need CPU, but training the large amount of network or unstructured data require GPU. So for the faster training and prediction. So GPU having training is 9 to 10x faster than the traditional CPUs. In machine learning, we have to perform by self feature engineering. We have to find what are the features are available or what we can transform the feature for the better prediction. In deep learning, feature learning is automated. So deep learning network can itself understand what are the underlying features are available. Execution time or training time, I would say, here I will say execution of training. In machine learning, it is, maybe we can think of hours, minutes, or days. But in traditional deep learning problem, what industry is solving, it could be weeks or months, or some deep learning system keep continuously running, taking more and more information, and giving more intelligent decisions. Model explanation is something that how can you explain that model to the general audience or the business audience. So machine learning has some of the models like tree based model, which you can explain, like tree looks like this. When you are at A situation, if you choose this direction, you go to B. If you choose this direction, go to C, or something. You can convert a tree to the rule base. Some of the algorithms in machine learning are explainable, but deep learning algorithms right now are hard to explain, and research are going on in this direction also. So these are in general practices or the general difference between applying machine learning and deep learning. Now comes to another terms which is related to every other term, that is data science. Data science is a field of collecting the data, visualizing it, creating a model over it, and communicating the proper results. It's a blend of tools to get hidden patterns from the data. Data science is a bigger concept. It shares the work with AI, ML, and DL and focuses on other aspects of data as well. It covers data integration, machine learning, visualization, data dashboard, engineering, deployment, and automated decision. So think of it's an end-to-end solution to solve any real-world problem. It focuses on practical application. Yeah. So we have this diagram where we understand that the relation between DL, ML, and AI. So what do you think where the data science fits in? So data science fits something like this. Yeah. So this is DS. So it shares with all the branches and has something that is out of, because it's connected with a complete real world solution that's coming with more applying the model or getting the real world predictions or using that decisions for the business values. Yeah. So this is all about DS, machine learning, AI, and deep learning. So if you have any question, please comment on the videos. I hope you like this video. If you then please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and comment your question. I will try to answer in the comment itself. Thank you.